One of the world's most unanswered questions: how did the coronavirus start and where did it come from? Was it really from Wuhan animal market? The first reported case was discovered in Wuhan on 17 November 2019. The first person who began to perform tests on coronavirus in the early stages was Dr. A. Fen. After seeing many people suffering from the same symptoms, he suspected that something was going wrong. Upon reviewing the test reports, the confusion began. She read the report 7 times and even shared the report to her fellow medics. In fact, she was the first person who gave the whistle. She gave an interview about the same in Chinese magazine, but she was accused of spreading rumors. Her interview has also been posted, however, it was quickly deleted from Chinese social media sites. She then shared the report to the Chinese doctor Li Wenliang, an ophthalmologist at Wuhan Central Hospital. But Dr. A. Fen went missing after 2 weeks of her interview on coronavirus. We do not know what the reason behind her missing could be. In the view of ongoing suspicious situations, Dr. Li tried to send a message to his fellow doctors at the end of the December, but he was told by Chinese police to stop making false comments. A few weeks later, he got caught to the coronavirus from the patient and had been in the hospital for several weeks. He was one of the 8 people where the Chinese government said that they were being investigated for spreading rumors. After a few days, Li died on 7 February 2020 after a battle with coronavirus. Dr. Li initially thought that the symptoms began to appear like SARS coronavirus, which affected the people in 2003. SARS symptoms also typically began with high fever, dry cough, and followed by shortness of breath. The Chinese Disease Control reported that approximately 8,000 people were infected in 26 countries and 800 died. SARS is zoonotic, which means virus originated in animals and then jumped to humans. In 2003, SARS originated in horseshoe bats and transferred to an animal named civet. In similar way, in 2019, Chinese scientists claim and suspect that bat coronavirus infected another animal named pangolin. Consuming the affected pangolin, which is available in seafood market, transmitted the virus to humans. The pangolin trade is highly illegal in China as it was banned long ago. But even today, there are some shops which sell pangolins, which might be the cause of coronavirus. But the true critical challenge is to determine which animal transmitted the virus to humans. In 2004, there was an accident happened in Beijing's lab that a test tube containing SARS virus was broken, which had led to quarantine hundreds of people. Because of this incident, China decided to construct highest level of bioresearch safety level pathogens labs across China by 2025. Among them, one of the constructions was Wuhan Institute of Virology Lab, which was completed in 2015, and it has the most dangerous viruses of the world. There are different conspiracies about the rapid spread of the virus, and one of them is China created this coronavirus to use it as a bioweapon, but accidentally, somehow, it came out of the lab. Because of this reason, to cover up and clear out all the pieces of evidence, the China didn't warn the public a likely pandemic in the initial stages. If the outbreak is only because of the seafood markets, then there are many seafood markets across the world. But why did it all started only in Wuhan? Is it because of the creation of the virus is part of Wuhan Virology Lab? If that is not the reason, then why did China did not announce about the outbreak even after 2 months? Several investigations are in place by different countries on China's Wuhan Virology Lab, but the Wuhan lab chief denies and says that virus cannot be man-made. There are some more doctors who tried to raise alarm, but all went missing. There are a lot of questions arising which we have no answers. If the spread of coronavirus continues with the same pace, it is estimated that more than 4 lakh deaths will happen across the world.